Howdy, my fellow wooden gassers. Well, here's a little update on the progress of the airliner toilet. Gasifier burn cone and reduction system. I'm going to take this for a spin right now. Here we go. Okay, that's probably not what you thought I meant, but anyway, this little turntable is something I made some years ago for another project, and my very good friend and I used this during the weekend to allow hot melt glue to be applied here. So we've got a lovely band of hot melt glue there, another wonderful band of hot melt glue in here to hold the cylinders onto the discs, and then the discs are held together by stainless steel bolts. We could have used bolts, but all I had was bolts. I've decided to double nut these just in case they want to come undone during their service time. As you could imagine, if they did come undone, they'll be really hard to get at. A better solution may end up being applied to these before I put this into the gasifier. But I must say, this rather impressive lump of stainless steel is looking mighty fine, and I'd like to think that it will work just as well when I put it into the gasifier. Now, you may remember I made mention of a bucket that I was thinking of using, part of it at least, for the, what would you call it, the grate to go underneath the reduction tube. Well, I found a bucket here, and what I did was I used a glass cutting technique on it, where I wrapped a string around it, set it on fire, and then dumped it in water, and sure enough, it broke very neatly to reveal this nice little bowl. Honest, it's exactly the method I used. Honest, I probably not fib to you, because the Woodgas bugs will get me. My plan to finish this little puppy off is to install some holes in a certain suitable pattern that makes it look pretty, and then decide upon using these or something like this. A turnbuckle, stainless steel of course, and a bolt that goes through there like that, and then this goes onto a D-shackle onto the chain links that hang from the bottom of the hopper in order to allow this to swing freely a certain height below the end of this tube here. So that's the next little bit. In the background I can hear an aircraft passing by. They're probably looking for their aircraft toilet. Anyway, my boys and girls, thought just give you a little old catch-up video on the progress of what I might end up calling the Phoenix gasifier. After all, it has risen from the flames to live once more. Alrighty, ciao for now.